Welcome to my giveaway tutorial. Be sure you're subscribed, hit the like button, and watch to the end to find out how you can win these Milk Bath floral nails. After these ones, the next giveaway set I make will be chosen by a lucky subscriber, so don't forget to follow the details in video for a chance to have your nails made. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to join in on the fun and possibly be the next winner of a new set of nails. So I've got an idea for a milk bath floral set that I want to do. I'm going to do it real quick and easy with some stickers. I've got these ones here in mind. So I think I'm going to work with these, and I've got some nice sheer polishes that I can use to do milk bath layers, and so I think we're going to go with this one. This will be Luxa Polish Oh Gasm. So let's go grab that. Okay, Luxa, here we go. There we go. All right, let's get started. Prep my tips. And then what I'm going to do is go in with my tip primer, etch that surface so we have really good adhesion for our polish. Now I'll be making a 14-piece set. Since I don't know who will be winning this, and I don't know their sizes, this is going to be a small medium set, so it's going to have both the typical average measurements for a small size and a medium size, which would include 14 nails. And now next I'm going to go in with a bonding primer. I'll get a little bit of that stick. I've heard that Young Nails Protein Bond is a really good one to use for this, so I'll likely be trying that out next. Okay, so these ones are just going to be solid. It is very sheer, so it is going to take 3 coats. But we do want to work thin so that we don't get too much shadowing. You can see how working that coat super thin is going to keep from shadow and pooling like I've got on this one here. Just touch that up a bit. It's going to give it that really soft, delicate look when I go in with a matte. Okay, so going in with our second coat now. And going in for a third one. And by this point we can be a little more liberal with the amount of polish, seeing as how we have a bit of a base down now. It's not quite as sheer. There we go. And we've got pretty good coverage. I think we'll be okay with 3 layers. Put that in the light. Alright, so now that my color is done, I've got 3 layers with this sheer. I'm going to go in with my Luxa Velveteen Matte because I'm working with Luxa gel. Now typically I like to do a lot more artwork, a lot more mixed media on my nails. But seeing as how this is a 14-piece set and not being made for anybody in particular, just whoever happens to win it, I'm limiting the accent nails since I don't know which ones will be used. And into the light, and here it is out of the light, nice and matte. Very lovely. So we'll set those aside and get started on our accent nails. So same thing, I am going to primer, to prep and primer, and get them ready to go. Now to decide what's going to go where. Now these are going to be milk bath nails, so they don't have to be precisely the same for each finger. It is more abstract, but I kind of like my stuff to be very similar. So now, just go in individually and make sure everything's laying nice and flat. If you got something overhanging the edge, that's okay. I'll cut it off or file it off at the end. You want some to be right up along that edge. Stickers. There's just so many different kinds to choose from, and they can do some really nice stuff with your work, especially if you're not very good at hand painting like myself. Just don't do it. That will all smoothed out. Make sure to go in with the primer, and we're just gonna dab a little on our stickers, just a smidge. Just give them a little bit of that extra stickiness for our color layer. All right, so now we go in with our first color layer. Again, with really thin coats to prevent shadowing as much as possible. You can see a little edge there where it's going to need to be filed, just to smooth it out. That's okay. We'll do that at the end. So I went in with the more kind of abstract flowers first. And I'm going to go in with these ones. This style here has a little more detailing in it, and then I'm going to finish off with these guys because I really like them. Let's see if we have something really tiny. Okay, so I'm going to go in with these. Only I'm going to cut off. So I'm going to go back in with my primer and make sure everything is down nice and tight. Okay, so now that all our stickers are down nice and I've trimmed up the edges, go in with another coat. You can see with each layer the underneath starts to get cloudier and cloudier. Put that inlet. Okay, so our last layer. And I'm going to cut a few up to get into our corners, like I've done with these ones. So now that I've cut all my little pieces, fix them on, trim my edges, primer over again, and one more coat. And once again in with the primer. Hope those stickers stay stuck to the next layer. The coats. Again, keeping our layers quite thin. We don't want to build up too much bulk. We don't have to worry so much about the shadowing now, but I don't want it to be too thick and bulky. So I'm going to buff them down to get rid of some of those edges and such. So here we are with our last layer of color. But now, because you see all those rough edges going on, and there's a little bit of spots where we could smooth things out a bit after our stickers. I'm just going to go in with a thin base, just so we have something to work over while we're doing a little bit of buffing to smooth things out. So keeping our coats thin. And you just want to pay special attention to your edges. That's what we'll be doing the majority of our buffing, just to smooth out some of those spots. So now that my base is nice and cured, I am going to remove that sticky inhibition layer so that I can buff them nicely. Okay. This is a super fine one. And just make sure everything is nice and smooth before you go in with your top coat. Feel around for any bumps or imperfections, and you're all set. Now that they're all nicely buffed and ready to go, give them a good cleaning with alcohol, get rid of any dust that might be left over. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with our Luxa Matte for the top coat. These would also look nice shiny, but I have a thing for matte, especially milk bath nails. So this is what they would look like if we left them glossy. Still really nice. But I'm going to pop them in the lamp, and I'm going to make them matte. And now here's our accent nails out of the lamp, all beautiful and matte. Here we are, all finished with this beautiful matte milk bath floral. This set will be given away free to one of my lucky subscribers. Just make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment, "Pick me," and I'll randomly draw a name for the winner. If you would like to be the winner of the next set with your own personally chosen design, post in the comments with your preferred nail shape, length, color, design idea, and your nail sizes if you happen to know them. I'll pick one winner, and my next watch and win tutorial could be making your winning set. Hope you had as much fun as I did, and see you in the next one. I can't wait to make your new set of nails.